Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Help. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download Yahoo Mail on your mobile device. Yahoo Mail is an email service launched on October 8, 1997 by the American company Yahoo, now a subsidiary of Verizon. It offers 4 different email plans, 3 for personal use and another for business use. To download Yahoo Mail on your device, go to your Play Store for your Android and App Store for iOS. Now in the search box, type in Yahoo Mail and search. After your search result appears, tap on the search result and tap on the install button to download. After it is installed on your device, it is ready to be operated. Simply tap open the app and sign in with your Yahoo ID. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates from us. I'll be back again with more tutorials soon. Thank you for watching.